Insurance. If you are involved in a collision, you may find that the largest expense of owning a vehicle is paying for damages you cause. Explain financial responsibility law. Everyone has a financial responsibility law, which requires you to prove that you can pay for damages you cause that result in death, injury, or property damage. Insuring your vehicle is a financial responsibility. You buy insurance from a company by paying a premium, a specified amount of money for a coverage over a specified period of time. A policy is a written contract between you, the insured, and the insurance company. It includes the terms and conditions of insurance coverage. There are many different kinds of insurance. Liability insurance covers others when you are at fault in a collision. It provides compensation to the third party involved. Your collision insurance provides coverage to pay the cost of repair or replacement of your vehicle minus the deductible. A deductible is the amount you agree to pay towards the repair or replacement of your vehicle. Some states have no-fault insurance. Although no-fault insurance works differently from state to state, generally people involved in collisions recover losses and expenses associated with the collision directly from their own insurance company, regardless of who is at fault. We'll go back up to the deductible. Let's say you have a $500 deductible. That means that's $500 out of your pocket. The damages may be $2,000, but you only have to pay $500. The higher the deductible, the lower the premium. So you have to weigh the options on that. If you want a really high deductible, $1,500 say, then your premium may be $50 a month, not a big deal. $500 deductible and your premium may be $80 a month. So you have to decide what's most best for your budget. Here's some of the examples of the different types of insurance. Liabilities is definitely, you have to have liability if you have a lien against your vehicle in North Carolina. 5 most expensive and least expensive cities for automobile insurance. This was in 2007, so that's been a while. So the most expensive per year Detroit, Michigan, $5,000. It's a lot of money. There's 3 factors that affect the cost of insurance. Driving record. Drivers with a certain number of convictions for moving violations and collisions pay higher premiums because they are at a higher risk for collisions. Your age. Younger drivers have a proportionately higher number of collisions, thus they have higher premiums. The more miles a vehicle is driven on a regular basis, the greater the premium. Male drivers tend to pay higher premiums. Historically, statistics have shown that men drive more and have more collisions. Married drivers statistically have fewer collisions than unmarried drivers. Type of vehicle. Sports cars, vans, SUVs tend to be stolen or vandalized often and cost more to repair. Traffic density in city areas increases the potential for collisions. Therefore, drivers who live in a city pay more for insurance than drivers who live in rural areas. Higher and more frequent claims, especially for comprehensive and collision coverage, will usually result in a higher premium. In some cases, the insurance company may simply cancel your policy. Most insurance companies reward low-risk drivers with reduced premiums. Premiums are reduced for drivers who have maintained good grades in school and in some cases have successfully completed an approved driver's education program. North Carolina, you will get a little discount when you pass driver's ed on your insurance. Also, those who have had no claims or convictions for 3 years and who have vehicles with certain safety features like airbags and anti-theft devices. What is the purpose of automobile insurance? What are the main factors that determine the premiums charged for automobile insurance?